Hello, you guys. Welcome back to the Wise Woman Way. Here in the kitchen today on our Family Harvest Day / Thanksgiving. We have a lot of food to prepare and cook. And actually, it's not a feast. I'm actually having some company and I'm going to distribute some of the food to some people who really need food, some homeless people I'm going to stop by and deliver to. Okay, so stick with us and watch us prepare our food. We have collard greens cooking, kale. We have our smoked turkey neck for our broccoli ribe. So we also have our squash, and we got to add the orange to our cranberry. Orange cranberry sauce. We have our broccoli ribe here, and then we have also the spaghetti squash, the rutabaga, and also the butternut squash right here. I was trying to think of the name. We got our collard greens as well. Nice collard greens. So you guys, you hang in there with us. Understand that we don't own any rights to this music. It's not ours. We're listening to the radio, trying to have a nice time. It soothes the soul. We love Kirk Franklin. Wouldn't want to take anything from him or his people. Okay, you guys, hang in there with us. This is a short video. Tune in and come on back to us. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Be well.